Here we come to a third elevator at Gatlinburg Square, Gatlinburg, Tennessee. This one's an Otis Series 1. 5. This is the ladder. Okay, 5. Non-ADA compliant for them. Let's look up the show. Otis Interlock, United Technologies. There you can see up top very well. I actually want to show you something. It's kind of funny. Because look. Those are Montgomery. Those are like the original ones. They have a Dover Impulse over here, there. And Otis Series 1 is right here. I actually wonder if you know what? I wonder if there's another elevator here or over there. Because it definitely seems like there is. Is there another elevator? We gotta go check over here. Looks like we might hit another elevator. Let's see, shall we? Is there another one? What's this? Oh, it's just an MPA staircase. Here's a nice view. Let's go back to the elevator now. It's funny. There's like 3 elevators. There's Montgomery, Dover, and Otis. This part may be the newest part. This and the area where the Dover are probably built around the same year, but this definitely seems newer. Maybe that is an elevator over there. We're gonna go back down now. Wonder if it's still up here, if it parked. Might have parked. Because I've been on a lot of Otis elevators that parked. You know. Ooh, look at this. Red bun. One. The alarm barely works. They need to fix that alarm. Here's your cab view. Actually, sorry. Here's your cab view. Just a basic newer Otis Series 1 elevator. Actually, let's check out town. I might end the video there. And there it goes, and that's it.